Harper Park, more specifically Harper Creek, is home to one of Ontario's only natural brook trout populations. To keep this from being at danger, the creek must remain cold and fast-flowing, as the brook trout thrive in those environments. But as pollutants and sediment increases, this may be at risk. Let's take a closer look. Every day, about 24,000 cars drive by Lansdowne Brierley, along with an estimated 7,500 people living within the Harper Creek watershed, which is 2.65 kilometers squared. At that, pollutants and sediment are destined to come. But how would they travel to Harper Creek? Well, about 49% of the watershed area is impervious surfaces, which includes the sports track, parking lots, homes, and etc. Therefore, water easily goes and carries pollutants and sediment either directly to the creek or to a storm pond. Storm ponds are a great way to store stormwater and runoff, but without being maintained properly, sediment and pollutants grow, which is then released into the creek, causing water to become warmer and slow-flowing. Let's talk about the runoff water. With half of the watershed area being impervious surfaces, runoff water is increased. This then leads to places like this, which is often referred to as the scar. This is from the erosion of water and sediment, along with the erosion of the creek banks, which increases the contact between the falling rain or floodwaters, which in turn carry pollutants and sediment. In addition to this, the runoff water increases the vulnerability of the ground and trees, causing them to tilt or fall. As this would happen naturally with the springs, increased water adds to this issue. The brook trout are not the only thing that makes this 60-hectare park interesting. For example, it has a high biodiversity, including having 78% native plant species. Harper Park is also one of Peterborough's largest treed areas. This park also has many trails which are available to the public, which are great for exploring the beauties within it, along with researchers studying the park and its attributes. These trails are marked with pink reflective tape to easily seek out paths and to help researchers. This park is significant. It is home to species not usually found within city limits. It is largely treed and gives us many recreational opportunities. But with impervious surfaces, stormwater, and etc. contributing to the increase of pollutants and sediment, the Harper Creek, banks, and brook trout are at risk. Thank you.